Welcome, dear viewers. This is ERi-TV English news for this hour with me, Barsa Batakhle. Starting with your domestic news, the Executive Board of the National Union of Eritrean Women conducted a meeting on 1 and 2 July to review the implementation of the programs during the first half of this year and to discuss plans for the second half. The meeting was attended by heads of departments and regional office of the Union. During the meeting, the board held extensive discussions focusing on activities aimed at enhancing organizational capacity, particularly among young women, strengthening the union's economic capacity, vocational training programs designed to improve women's skills, progress and development programs, and the role of mass media in raising overall awareness among women. Mr. Hatesfa Mikael, the president of the National Union of Eritrean Women, commended the successful implementation of the various activities over the past 6 months and called for strengthened participation in executing programs scheduled for the second half of the year. The board stressed the importance of reinforcing ongoing efforts, including enhancing the organizational capacity of women and promoting their active participation and awareness. The meeting concluded with several recommendations, including organizing training on financial and material management and reporting, completing the renovation of union buildings, and establishing an official website for the union, among other initiatives. In other news, the regulatory service in the Gashbarka region has conducted seminars on food safety for both humans and animals, targeting farmers and owners of social service provision institutions in the subzones of Sel'a, Karkabet, La'alai Gash, Gonyi, and Mogolo. At these seminars, Mr. Maazan Gusa, an animal resources regulatory expert, warned that unsafe food could endanger the lives of both humans and animals. He emphasized the need for safety and cleanliness throughout the entire food production chain, from farm to consumer, and highlighted the direct link between food safety and environmental protection. He urged all stakeholders in food processing and supply to collaborate with regulatory experts. Mr. Haddish Meskel from the Plant Regulatory Service gave an extensive briefing on the direct and indirect adverse effects of improper pesticide use. He pointed out the critical consequences of using unapproved or unsafe agricultural medicines without consulting experts, stressing that such practices harm both the environment as well as humans and animals. He encouraged farmers to use only approved pesticides and to adopt natural production systems. Subzone administrators, for their part, stated that these seminars significantly contributed to the goal of ensuring nutritious food for all and everywhere. They called on farmers and food processing enterprises to apply the knowledge gained throughout the training in their daily operations. And today's final report, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the Tsorona subzone, in collaboration with the local education office, has provided 2 months of first aid and social science training to students in the subzone. Mr. Abraham Tesfa Mariam, head of the union branch, expressed hope that the trainees would apply the knowledge they gained in practical settings. Mr. Haile Mengesha, administrator of the subzone, noted that the training is part of the ongoing efforts to build the overall capacity of youth and called for the continuation of such initiatives. In related news, the union branch in Tsorona subzone also extended monetary support to children of martyrs and disadvantaged families in the subzone. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.